gone like a purplish colour. Here we are. M.S.G salmon.
M.S.G salmon.
That's what the hype's about. Not for salmon, just M.S.G. I've been seeing a lot of stuff these days about M.S.G on YouTube.
Yeah, have you?
Yeah, all
What
over the
does
place.
M.S.G stand for?
Emil's mum. Umami. I don't actually know what it is, but
Isn't it like a type of salt?
yeah. So it's apparently it's a flavor enhancer. It makes things taste better apparently than salt. So they say. So I've done a normal, really nice recipe cure, but I've just exchanged the salt with M.S.G. See how it turns out.
It's supposed to be bad for you, isn't it, M.S.G?
I've heard, but you know, sugar's bad for you. Saturated fats are bad for you. Modern Family's bad for you.
Modern Family's not bad for you.
But sir. But people eat them anyway and watch that shit. So, you know, I'll take M.S.G over Modern Family any day.
Get out of here. Right.
So we've got a couple of different taste tests. So the first one's on its own. First of all, I'd like to just talk about how it's made the salmon a deeper red colour. Like it's got like this purplish hint on top of it.
So talk me through your process.
You've seen the process.
Nobody cares about your process.
Got you. Alright, let's go.
Cheers. That's not what I was expecting at all.
Me neither. I didn't know what to expect. It's kind of like
What the hell is that?
the taste gets better as it goes along. The initial taste is quite salmony, right? The middle is really soft, and the outside, because it's cured, is a bit rubbery.
Yeah. The outside's rubbery. Inside's soft, like you'd expect.
But the more you eat it, the better it tastes.
The flavour of a salmon doesn't come through till the end. It's quite bizarre, actually. I'm not really sure what to make of that.
I think
Quite like, actually, the rubbery texture it gives it.
it's a nice bounce. I think it's nice.
Yeah, I think it's nice.
Okay, so second, we'll go with wasabi and soy combo.
The old classic.
Oh, I was about to say that.
Such a weird texture that I'm just not used to it. It's like it's cooked, but it's not cooked. It's deceiving me.
Have you ever had cured fish before?
I don't know if I have. I probably have, but I didn't know what I was having at the time.
So you
I
probably
don't
didn't
know
know
what
what to
cured
expect.
fish is. Yeah, no, this is completely strange experience for me.
So this is a good one where Emil doesn't know what's coming his way.
Yeah.
Alright, pickled ginger.
Man, pickled ginger is nothing better with raw seafood. Go ahead, sir.
That's a good one with the old pickled ginger.
Fantastic.
Now time for the final taste tester. I make like a little sushi rice kind of parcel. And I'm gonna go double salmon on this.
Doubling it up, yeah?
A little bit of dub. Bit of pickled ginger. Some straight up wasabi. Cause I'm a fucking man. I knew you wasn't gonna make that.
Beautiful.
That was a banger-langer.
The El Clasico. Lovely. Lovely, my friend.
Lovely and jovely.
See, the thing is, I don't know what MSG tastes like, to be honest.
Neither do I.
And I'm not really getting any, like, new flavours on this.
I know what you mean. Me too. I'm not getting like... Because people say when they eat MSG, you get like this... mouthgasm. I'm not getting no mouthgasm right now. It's kind of just normal.
What was supposed to be the point of the MSG?
It's supposed to make the salmon taste like twice as good. It's a flavour enhancer, right?
I'm not gonna lie, I feel like
But actually...
it's made it twice as bad.
So, I don't think the MSG is better than using salt in the cure.
No.
That's what I'm thinking right now. Maybe if I cured it for 2 days, or if I didn't put sugar in the cure, it might be a different story.
You did wash all of it off though.
Yeah, but when you cure the salmon, it absorbs everything.
Oh, okay.
And the salt cooks the salmon. Which is why you're getting the cooked texture. But if you cure it for too long, it gets too rubbery. So you gotta get that perfect timing.
I'm not gonna lie, I would have just preferred the salmon. Straight up.
I don't like agreeing with you, but I'm gonna agree with you right now. All this hype I've been seeing on YouTube, this, that, MSG cured this. Fuck you. So to wrap it up, it's nice, but I think a salt cure is better or just as good. And raw salmon as well. It's probably the best kind of salmon.
Yeah, no so.
So, thanks for watching. See you later. When life gives you lemons, slap me in the face.
Keep it.
Yes.